Hi traders, welcome to this video about SWAT 2.0. It's simple wave analysis and trading using moving averages, fibs, and fractals. Wanted to share some of the trade ideas from last week. Let's take a look at the charts right now. All right, there we go. So we had a continuation on the euro dollar to the downside beginning last week. Actually, we saw an attempt for a third breakout, in fact. But the price didn't push through 177.50. It lingered here, bounced. So personally, I indicated that I would move it to break even because I think that the breakout is probably not going to work out. And that's indeed what happened. Price retracing back higher. Euro dollar staying in a tight range. Moving averages fully aligned here to the downside, but not enough steam to break through support. So break even trade on that. At least that's how I would trade it based on this red candle. SWAT is basically trying to simplify the trading decisions, simplify the swings and waves, and trade with moving averages. So you can see that here are a few examples. Pound USD worked out well. We had a potential breakout here, 123.70. Personally, I skipped that one because I thought that the support here at 122.50 was too strong. I was a little bit hesitant with trading that. Also, the signal happened before I saw it, so that's another reason I cannot go back in time. Price was already down in here. But the second signal, actually, with a pending order, I traded 123.25 right here, and it went up to, no, that was here actually, a little bit further. So we had this signal, that was one we missed. Then we had another breakout here, and I said look for a pullback and continuation, 123.25 right here, and that was a perfect entry because price went to 123.40, and it nicely went down to the target of 121.75, and this next target is 120.50. So the first one ended up for plus 150 pips. The second part of that trade is open at plus 215 and aiming for 50 more pips, and if it does hit target at 120.60 to be precise, it would be a 250 pip win. So that was a great one. From here, as you can see, based on the second break, the first break we missed, second break we took, actually wait for a pullback and look at that fall after that. So this was a great win, 150, and maybe the second setup could be 250. So happy with that one. Otherwise, dollar yen didn't have a confirmation of a downside setup, so we skipped that one luckily because it went up after that. Pound yen, we did have a confirmation setup here, this red candle. All moving averages aligned, as you can see. Look at that. Full alignment. Red candle breaking through the 21 EMA. 21 EMA, price below 21, below 144, below 233, below 610. Full alignment on the 4-hour chart. And look at that trend continuation here from 131.95 down to the target at, if I remember correctly, at 130.90 for about 100 pips there. And it actually went further than that and is on its way to his 8. And if someone would have aimed for that, then it's almost 250 pip target there. So beautiful trades. Euro yen, small loss. Entry was about 115.70. Recommended to trail stop above this fractal. So yeah, small, I think 45 pip loss or so, compared to maybe a 100 pip risk, stop loss size, I think plus minus. Pound odd is a win, but the question is how much. Price is on its way. We're at break even at this moment. There were two potential setups here and here, both candles actually, for various reasons, but as you can see there was a pullback and continuation. All the moving averages aligned. Look at that. Oh, sorry, you don't see that on this one. Hang on. As you can see, full alignment here with the trend, continuation. And yeah, this trade is up, depending on the exact entry, about 140 pips, 100 to 240, and we're aiming for I think 186 or so. Trail stopping this now at break even. So yeah, we had some great trades. Euro dollar was break even, and pound dollar is a nice win. Pound yen was a nice win. Euro yen a small loss. Pound odd is a break even and open and could become a nice win. Otherwise, there was on the 4-hour chart. Nothing else, I believe, on the majors that I look at least. How about other time frames? Well, for instance, on the pound USD, we had some nice setups as well. As you can see, pullbacks and continuations, pullback, continuation, pullback, continuation. 3 good setups on the hourly chart with full trend alignment. and you can see nicely breaking through Wiz 4 and Wiz 5 and then Wiz 6 all the way down to these Wiz levels. So some great trend trades there in the pound USD. Similar setups on the 50-minute world as well. So as long as you can find a currency pair and time frame that has a good trend, then one time frame lower could also provide some interesting scaling options and scaling trade setups as well with SWAT. All trying to keep it simple with these moving averages and SWAT candles, fibs, and fractals. All right, so that's it for now. I hope that you become a SWAT member. Of course, feel free to do so. We got the SWAT ebook ready for your new SWAT course, and all of this explained in 74 videos. So a lot of education as well. So in any case, wish you all good trading and see you soon. Cheers. Bye-bye.